Hi
Hi.
Mansi,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well, and after seeing you very well, as always.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so how is everything there
It's
in
good. I'm
Maharashtra?
in, yes, I'm in Mumbai, which is a hub for COVID, but I think people have moved on. तो अभी ऐसा लगता है जैसे
Okay,
नॉर्मल लाइफ चालू हो गई है कि
almost normal.
ज्यादातर अभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट या प्रिकॉशंस हर जगह पे है. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट अब तक चालू नहीं हुआ, जो काफी लोगों के लिए बुरा भी है, बट वी आर सर्वाइविंग.
Hmm. ओके सो सबसे पहले तो हाँ अपन आपके इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट करते हैं मानसी. पर्सनल
जी.
इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए आपका.
So basically मेरा नाम मानसी ओझा है. आई हैव अ फुल टाइम जॉब इन ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री एंड उसकी वजह से मैं काफी ट्रैवल करती हूँ, वेदर इट्स पर्सनल या बिजनेस. तो वही पैशन को फोटोग्राफी में पहले और मैं ब्लॉग्स भी काफी लिखती थी, तो वो आई ऑलवेज हैड दैट. But then I realized that what I need to create memories with videos, and that's when I started doing YouTube, and then I started learning how to edit a video and complete understanding of YouTube and all. So now I'm doing a YouTube almost every week one video comes. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to like merge my professional and my passion into something and then create a YouTube channel out of that.
Lovely. Okay, if talk about travel blogging, who is your inspiration? Like, who is your personal favorite travel blogger?
So my personal favorite, I don't have a favorite. That's a weird part because मैं काफी random videos देखती हूँ. So whether it's Tanya or mountain wheeler or anyone mountain trekker, मतलब I watch everyone's video. I am not restricted to one person because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर किसी की का अलग स्टाइल है और मुझे हर किसी के स्टाइल में से कुछ learnings मिलती है. So then I don't focus on only one person. I focus on 2-3 people to learn from them how they are communicating. And then at times I try to avoid seeing them because I don't want my style to get influenced with them. So that's why I kind
Okay.
of ऐसा लगता है ना कि किसी को देख के आप उसकी कॉपी कर सकते हो क्योंकि वो आप इतने ऑब्सेस्ड होते हो उनसे. तो मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं ज्यादा फॉलो नहीं करूँ वरना मेरी स्टाइल मिस हो जाएगी क्योंकि मैं उनके स्टाइल पे इतनी ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ कि ऐसा लगता है अरे ये तो उनके लिए काम कर रहा है तो मुझे भी ट्राई करना चाहिए काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. So that's another thing which I believe, and that's my personality. I don't want everyone
Okay.
to follow that, but that's how I am. So I try to keep everything my way, and I watch different kind to understand videography. तो मतलब YouTube पे जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर्स को देखना है टू अंडरस्टैंड आपको ट्रैवल ब्लॉगिंग कैसे करनी है. आई kind of see a lot of different categories of videos, at times cinematic
Okay.
videos या फिर photography learning videos and stuff like that, so that I focus on my skills rather than a person.
Lovely. This is something I have to learn from you.
This is something I think everyone will be like, what the hell she's talking, like it's something different, but that's how my perception is because I want to focus on my skills and I want to learn that. So I think everyone is an inspiration in that front. So I don't stick to one person at a time.
Lovely. Okay,
Yeah.
what is the best travel experience of your life? Again, I know
Best.
it's hard. Yeah.
Yeah, I have many best experiences, but the recent one which I love are also there on my channel, which is doing good, which are two places in India, which is something which I really loved and shared, and I so want to do that in future. One of them is the first time in my life I have stayed in a village, and that is not my village but someone else's village, and I did a homestay. So that was something which
Okay.
was done for the first time. So I had like a Maharashtrian village experience where I went and stayed in a very 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 secluded area in Maharashtra. Like Mumbai se 2 घंटे की drive पे that village is there, which I never knew existed. And when I went there, I stayed with the locals. I did a lot of local activities. We went to close by mountains for a trekking. Monsoon में गए थे तो काफी waterfalls भी थे. So we kind of dipped into the waterfalls. So that was one of the genuine tourist experience जिसमें it's not like ha hu करने वाला, it was not like a big thing that you need to go and do it. It's not like आपको travel abroad करना चाहिए and do this do that. It was very local experience, very authentic experience, I would say. And जिस तरह से locals ने welcome किया, the way they welcomed us, the way they showed all these things they do in their village, in their daily life, I think that was very very interesting. And like ecotourism, like I was so moved by that whole trip, because in that trip, whatever money you are paying to the organizer, they actually pay to the villagers to improve their services in the village. So it's kind of कि मैं कोई luxury brand को पैसा नहीं दे रही हूँ, मैं locals को पैसा दे रही हूँ जिससे वो अपनी life improve कर सके. So that was what the experience was, and it was one of a kind experience. First time in my life. I actually don't prefer a lot of homestay, but that one homestay is something which I'll remember throughout my life. And the second experience in India, which I really loved, was traveling to Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Island, Union Territory. That experience is something I was completely amazed with the island. I was obsessed with Maldives and I so wanted to go to Maldives, but after going to Lakshadweep, I realized I don't need to go to Maldives, because in India itself, I have something equivalent to Maldives, and that is Lakshadweep. So that was something very, very, very scenic. And then obviously you're staying on a beach, doing scuba, doing snorkeling, kayaking, watching sunset. I mean, that place is marvelous. I mean, that is one of my top place to visit in India.
अभी मैं भी जाना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. So ये दो experience India holiday में ये दो experience मेरे top है. Obviously international में तो different experience है. So that is what. But I think right now we need to focus on India, because India को travel की जरूरत है. So
बाहर तो अभी जाने ही नहीं देंगे वैसे भी.
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत तो restricted हो गया. तो भी हमने थोड़ा यहाँ वहाँ travel किया. So it is still better, but because I'm part of the industry, I know industry is suffering a lot. Tourism board है, hotels है, attractions है, locals है, जैसे कि driver हो गए, restaurants हो गए, हर कोई suffer कर रहा है. So I think we need to revive the industry very soon.
I'm also from tourism industry only, basically.
Then you will understand how difficult the situation is. I mean, I think you are based out of Rajasthan, right? Rajasthan is known for everyone to come. Even I don't know whether you know, I am originally from Rajasthan only.
Oh no, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So where are you from, basically, in Rajasthan?
I'm from Siroi, which is closer to Mount Abu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
so I'm from that. So
I'm from Jaipur.
Okay. Oh, I've been to Jaipur. A long time back, and it's very beautiful city. I actually, for me, I always had a village experience of Rajasthan, because we used to go to our village every summer holiday. But for me, even knowing that Maharashtrian villages are as beautiful and different was something amazing, because Rajasthan के villages are एक अलग ही level है उनका तो. So
okay.
that is it.
कभी सोशल मीडिया ट्रोलिंग के शिकार हुए हो?
Touchwood, अब तक नहीं. अब तक सोशल मीडिया मुझसे I mean it's been good to me, so touchwood अब तक कुछ problems नहीं हुई है, but let's see. I think ज्यादा फेमस हो जाएंगे तो कुछ होगा. अभी हम इतने फेमस नहीं है तो थोड़ा सेफ है.
तो छोटे मोटे भी कीड़े नहीं किए किसी ने?
वो तो डेली लाइफ के है. मतलब वो तो कोई ना कोई आके मैसेज करता है, तो वो उसको मैं ट्रोलिंग नहीं समझती. वो तो मतलब ठीक है, ट्रोल जिसमें कोई आपको बार बार एक ही चीज पे परेशान करता रहे, तो वो अब तक टचवुड नहीं हुआ. इवन यूट्यूब पे भी अब तक वो नहीं हुआ. किसी ने आज तक ऐसी कोई बुरी कमेंट नहीं की है वीडियो पे, विच आई एम सो ग्लैड कि अब तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. रिसेंटली एक कमेंट था, आई वोंट से बुरी कमेंट, बट जस्ट लैंग्वेज पे था कि आप यूट्यूब वीडियोस में अंग्रेजी में बात क्यों करते हो, लाइक व्हाई यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, you should speak in Hindi and stuff like that. So, but I think it's a personal choice. I mean, it's everyone's choice how they want to communicate. So, I don't see that as a troll.
Okay, that's nice. So, उम्मीद करूँगा आगे भी आप नहीं हो इसका शिकार.
Touch wood, fingers crossed. वो होना अच्छी बात नहीं है.
ओके, तो इंटरव्यू तो लगभग डन हो गया है और लेकिन लास्ट में मेरे पास एक सेंटेंस है जिसे मैंने मराठी में सीखा है। मराठी बोलते हैं ना,
थोड़ी
तो
बहुत।
मराठी में मैं बोलूंगा। ओके, वैसे बोलूंगा तो समझ जाएगी।
हाँ जी बताइए।
ओके, अब बाकी मेरा प्रोनाउंसिएशन इधर उधर हो तो आप संभाल लेना।
नहीं चलेगा।
तो इट इज मला सुंदर मुलींची बोलणे आवडते।
वेरी नाइस, नॉट
What
बैड
is-
एक्चुअली। आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम, हाँ जी फर्स्ट टाइम मराठी में बोल रहे हो, राइट?
या
हाँ, नहीं फर्स्ट टाइम के लिए अच्छा है। इवन मेरी मराठी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, दो बॉर्न एंड बॉट अप इन महाराष्ट्र। मुझे आई हैव बीन सराउंडेड विद लॉट ऑफ people who are from either they are from Rajasthan or they are from Gujarat and also मेरा महाराष्ट्र से इतना conversation हुआ नहीं है, so मेरी भी थोड़ी कच्ची पक्की है। पर काफी अच्छा बोला आपने और थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, तो मानसी, मेरी तरफ से इंटरव्यू डन हो गया है। अब आप चाहे तो आपकी तरफ से गुड बाय फॉर्मेलिटीज कर सकते हैं।
कोई गुड बाय फॉर्मेलिटीज ऐसा नहीं है। अगर आप मेरा YouTube कंटेंट देखना चाहते हो देन you can find me on YouTube as Mansi Oza and I go with my brand name which is what I preach is called Eat, Travel and Have Fun. So that's how my name is, that Mansi Oza, Eat, Travel, Fun, and I think we should all appreciate and we should all go back to travel soon so that आप जैसे लोग और मेरे जैसे लोग का काम बना रहे।
ओके, तो मानसी के जो ट्रैवल चैनल का लिंक है वो भी मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा, सॉरी नेम, तो आप वहाँ जाके चेक कर सकते हैं। ठीक है मानसी, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ इट।
Great.
बाय बाय।
Thank you. Bye.